you're keeping safe and well. This week's top 5 videos in no particular order. Number 1 is Guhring UK Managing Director talks cutting tool technology with MTD. In our MTD Daily, Guhring UK's Managing Director Chris Weston talks with MTD's Paul Jones about their impressive UK manufacturing facility. Guhring cutting tool technology as well as COVID-19. Watch this video right here.
Let's look outside of the coronavirus as well. Industry in general, the automotive sector, obviously in Germany is down a bit. How are things over there for the within the group?
Yeah, it's obviously again it's trying times for them there and for us as well. We tend to be slightly more into the automotive side of the business than the aerospace, but that's something that we're all trying to change. There's lots of markets out there, and we just need to sort of get into those as well.
In at number 2 is turning as well as milling. That's HyperMill for you. HyperMill is the go-to product for milling cam solutions, but did you know that HyperMill are now also harbouring expertise in cam for turning? Have a listen to some of the features and modules available from OpenMind.
Rate yourself highly for cutting cycle time for customers and try and improve it all. At all times. You do get it with your turning as well. We have got samples that we were using where the standard face turning, external turning, like your G71, G72 in the front environment, and then we've compared it with our HyperMax turning, which have reduced cycle times dramatically.
In at number 3 is lowest piece part cost takes Starrag's users to new highs. Starrag's highly optimised solutions for machining aluminium aerostructures as well as titanium and nickel alloy engine castings. Whether it's a standalone machine for an extensive flexible manufacturing system, Starrag's engineering precisely for what you value.
Well, for example, if you measure the vibration through the vibration sensor, we can detect chatter frequencies from this, and we can show you as a user the specific lines in an NC program. So we can say between line 100 and 200, you're actually detecting chatter. You may not see it on your component, but you may be getting bad tool life. Or we can predict the exact position of the tip of a long tool through the data collected in the temperature sensors and the displacement, so that when a new tool comes into play, for example, we can position that so it blends perfectly with the previous tool. And that way, in a titanium pocket or an Inconel component, you get a perfect blend, and you're not having to polish out mismatches between tools. The component looks perfect.
And next is Colchester machines like you've never seen before. Colchester Machine Tools moved into their new building in May last year. Today, Paul spoke with the Managing Director about their new products, the current business levels and the expectations for the year ahead.
Just 12 months ago now, so the opening ceremony was in May 2019, and as you say, I took over as Managing Director of Colchester Machine Tool Solutions in August of 2019. So it's been an interesting year. It's been very fast moving, but since we moved into the new facility, we've certainly seen huge step forwards and huge benefits for the business. Particularly from a customer experience point of view, and having this showroom facility here has been an excellent addition to us.
And finally, easiest way to handle big castings. Here we showcase the FP800 loading system from ABB. Not only does it have a robot arm, as you would expect, but it also has a scanning system to enable it to unload castings and to stack them once machined.
We've got a table that represents, say, a machine tool tending bed, but ultimately that's the easy part. The more difficult part is how do you get the parts from the pallet onto the robot arm, and then the rest of it is relatively easy.
Well, that's it from me this week. I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.